In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to your Cloudflare account, a process that is both straightforward and crucial for collaborative management and enhanced security. Whether you're working with a team or just need another set of eyes on your account, learning how to grant access is essential. First, let's get started by heading over to the Cloudflare website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or click on it if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted by all the information and tools Cloudflare offers to help connect, protect, and build your digital presence. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the home page, as it gives you an overview of the latest offerings and features available. Next, you'll want to log in to your Cloudflare account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will redirect you to the login page, where you need to enter your credentials. Be sure to keep your login information secure, as this is a critical part of protecting your account from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Cloudflare account homepage. This page provides a comprehensive look at your domains and the various settings you have in place. It's a good idea to regularly review this page to ensure everything is set up correctly and efficiently. To manage users, navigate to the section labeled Manage Account. This area is where you'll have access to all the administrative tools for overseeing your Cloudflare account settings and user permissions. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Members. Clicking this will take you to a page that details all current users with access to your account. Here, you can review who currently has permissions and manage these roles effectively. It's important to periodically audit this list to ensure that only necessary personnel have access. To add a new user, look for the Invite button. Clicking on this will open a form where you can input the email address of the person you'd like to invite to manage your account. Make sure you're inviting someone you trust, as this will grant them specific permissions to interact with your account settings. After entering the email address, simply click Send, and an invitation will be dispatched to the chosen user. They'll receive instructions on how to accept the invitation and gain access to manage the account. Remember, clarity and communication is key, so let your new team member know to keep an eye on their inbox for this email. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user to your Cloudflare account. This simple step ensures your account is managed effectively and securely, providing flexibility and peace of mind. Always remember to manage account access responsibly to maintain security and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.